All right, welcome back. Day 13, 30 days, 30 opals. This one's going to be a special one. This one has a really nice color. See if we can get her to focus a little bit for you. But yeah, let's get started. We'll go ahead and knock off the outside of it, and then we'll shape the dome and get it polished. Okay, we got the rough shape done. There's might be a little right into here. I've got a little black showing right on this edge and a little bit here. So we're gonna, first of all, I'm gonna take the dome down just a touch because I grounded in on that last wheel, and I want to know for sure if that black really needs to come out and how much. Okay, yep, there's a little bit there, a little bit there. So we're gonna continue to shape this outside of this opal. And looks like we got this side pretty much. There's a little bit left on this side. I'm going to give this thing kind of an Easter egg shape just because of the pastel colors I'm seeing right now. I think that'd be nice. Alright, let's get this thing domed and polished. Alright, I think I've got the profile about where I want it. Let's go ahead and move over to the next wheel and starting to put that final shape onto it. now that I've got it polished a little bit, I need to come in on this edge and this edge a little bit more. So I'm going to back up to the wheel previously. We're going to take some more off the edge and make sure that that is the way I want it to be. Got a little bit more on this side to go. Just a touch more. Then we need to round this outside edge back in. Just a little tiny bit more on this side. I'll be happier. Make sure she all blends together, and now we need to get that nice even dome back. Not much, but a little bit there on those edges. Okay, and now we're going to move back to this other wheel and blend it in. That should about do that. Alright. Lots of pretty color. Let's move to the next polished side and get this opal to shine and be pristine. Okay, let's move to the next wheel. soil to go. Move on over. There we go. Day 13. Gorgeous, gorgeous little stone. So much color. All right, thanks for staying tuned, watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any videos in the future. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 14.